So this is my playlist of side hustle. This website that I'm going to show you is only available in the UK, but you can work online as a customer service. It's completely legit. It's a very reputable company, and you can work on your with your PC, with your webcam, online as a customer service. But it's only available, as I told you, in UK. So if you are not in UK, just go to the other videos that there are plenty now, going to record plenty of videos for side hustle. Why you need a side hustle? Because if you are going to work online, if you're going to build your online business, you just need money to put in advertisement. You just need money to pay for your service, which could be the autoresponder, the landing pages, lead pages, ClickFunnels, whatever. And you need maybe another source of income. So even this website is a completely legit job, and it can be done also as a 9 to 5 jobs. In my opinion, in my view, these side hustles are not to be meant to be a full-time job, but something that can free you from a 9 to 5 job, and or just an addiction, or an addictive stream of income. So not something that could be that should be meant for forever job, but something that could fuel could put more money in your wallet, and you can use this money to pay for advertisement. So this is a country available only in UK. And this is the website. It's called sensi.co.uk, and it's for people who want to work in the customer service field. So this is a fully remote work. It's a fully remote job, and this is a very well-known company, and it's completely legit. So you just have to click on work from us, and then click customer service advisor. And once you have clicked, you will see this page where there are there's every kind of information you just need. They work with UK organizations, that's why it's only available in UK. You get flexible hours, you get a full employment contract, and no commuting, so you just don't have to take any tube, and support scheme, whatever. So it's completely legit. And you just need a quiet environment to work, and you just work for 20 hours a week. You can work, basically you have to be flexible, because the working hours, as you see here, can be from 7 o'clock in the morning to 11 o'clock in the evening. So you just have to be completely flexible, even if you can choose this. So these are the vacancies. If you want to work for them, you just have to click here. We are hiring, apply now, and then it's here there's a nation of what you need, and the stages that you have to go through if you want to work from them. So you have to choose whether to apply for sales position or permanent position. Let's choose permanent position. And then after here, you get even more info and the application form. So you just need to dedicate 50 minutes to apply for this job, and somewhere quiet, but you can go back. So you don't need 50 minutes in a row. You just complete some passages, and then stop and going back and finish this. So you just have to tell them something about you, test the internet connection, of course, and the laptop, in order to be, they want to be sure that you be able to work. And you have to upload your CV. So just put your mail and get started. So congratulations, I hope you enjoyed this video. But these are only side hustle. If you want to build your online business, go to johnvianney.com, submit your name and email, and you get the access to the free presentation that will explain you how to build your online business promoting affiliate products that are products that you don't even have to own, and you earn commissions only to sell them. Sell products that you don't have to own, you get even 70% of commission. So go to johnvianney.com, submit your name and email, and get the step-by-step coaching, free presentation, and 15 days of lessons, online business challenge. That's whatever you need to build your online business.